Oh God, I actually took a lot out. I think it was about reinforcement of my own environment, the purpose and the reason as to why I'm doing things and making sure that I'm clear. I took out the opportunity, I suppose, or the benefits that the horses react or they respond straight away to what's working well. And not just to keep doing things because that's what you've been doing all the time, and be responsive to how the horses respond to you. There's only a few things, but I actually took out a huge amount of things, and I just sort of got to probably sit back and think about it.
What did you learn about yourself?
It's always those like self-awareness. I think those battles that you do have with yourself, your expectation that sometimes you're just going to go in there and do what you think, what you want to do, and as I say, not responding maybe to how the players are reacting, whether they're stimulated or challenged. You're just sort of really focused on what you want to do. Self-awareness was huge, and that was probably one of the main things that really stood out and highlighted during these last couple of days.
How is it going to change your coaching when you get back to work?
I've learned a lot, and what I probably have to do is really sit back and prioritise, because I think I learned so much that I don't want to go into work and change everything. I think I've got to really prioritise the most important things, the things that I know is going to make a big shift for the girls, and that's, for me, it's based around consistency, that the messages are clear and strong, and that I'm responsive to the needs, and I do build that relationship, and it's a meaningful relationship. It's not what I see, and those are probably the things that I reckon that will make the biggest investment for our environment.
What would you say to individuals or a team thinking about undertaking the program?
It's a huge challenge, and when you do come in, and just the fear, I suppose, that we felt, or I felt, when I did see the horse. And you know, when you're teaching people new things, everyone's always going to have that fear. One of the things, you know, sometimes we always look at the other person instead of looking at ourselves, how we portray ourselves, what body language that we have. These horses show that automatically, and they show it right from the start. They're beautiful creatures, actually, and they respond very fast to great leadership. And that's the challenge, I think, of why we're here, and just the yearning to be better.